What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-104303. There was a problem connecting our communication with the server, so it's a server error or network error. I'm just going to show you how to fix this up here. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side and let's go to the screen. So here we are at the screen, and let's go to just user and account settings, and there is the, look at that, just go to the sign in ID. You must check in your PSN or sign in, and logged in setting, you must check your login settings, your console is logged in or not. And here is the settings, and then network, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so you're working on the updates, that's why you get this. If the server is working up and good, then you just check your own connection. If the server is not working, just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically after a while. So, and here's the settings. If the server working up, you just go to your Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi, you just set the frequency settings and the advanced settings, DNS settings, change it. Which one is working good in your country, just put it back here manually and set up a connection. I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable than the Wi-Fi. You will get the better speed on your PlayStation 5 console and the network. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of network connectivity error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic.